Yo, what's up guys? I'm back, Deadstock 415, and here with another shoe unboxing. Well, you might be thinking, where's the shoe? You can't see the shoe? Well, here you go. The box was a little too big in the first place, so I had to kind of change the box. And there you have it. It is the Nike Adapt BB version 2.0 year 2020. Alrighty, so again, this is the Adapt BB 2.0 Chicago, the basketball shoes. This is the second version of these that they came out with. It is the gamer exclusive. So the only way you can get this is if you go into NBA 2K20 on Xbox, PlayStation, or I think it's on PC. I don't know, I only play it on Xbox and PlayStation. But if you go into the game, go into My Career, go to the neighborhood, find the virtual Adapt BB 2.0 Chicago billboard, hold your phone up, get your phone, put it on Sneakers app, find the little the advertisement for the shoe, this shoe, open that, scan your TV using the app, and you will be able to get the shoes. But these shoes, they're $400. Basically, after taxes, they're $430. Is an expensive shoe. The box came like this, so hopefully I can still be able to resell it on StockX. But if not, I'll just resell it on Goat. So let's get into this shoe. I love, again, how the shoe or the boxes look. I don't know, I just like shoes and box shoes. They're pretty cool. This is what you have here. It is just the charging cables for it. This is how you charge your shoes. And you might be like, if you've never heard of these shoes, you'd be like, wait, what? You have to charge your shoes? Why do you have to charge your shoes? Well, you will see in one quick second why you have to charge your shoes. Look at that. These shoes are pretty actually impressive. And you might be like, what the heck are these kind of laces? Again, if you have never seen these shoes. And it is a heavy shoe. And this will protect your foot. It's crazy. But, so what these shoes are, they are automatic lacing shoes. So once you put your foot in it, you take a step, these shoes will tighten for you. They're not really laces, but they'll tighten and kind of squeeze your foot until it's comfortable, and then it stops. I think that is pretty cool with these shoes. Again, I might just be keeping these. I don't know. They're just a super cool shoe. I've never had a shoe like this before. I've never really seen a shoe like this before. So it's just really cool seeing a shoe that has that kind of technology. Here is the right side of the shoe. Basically looks like the same as the left side. It was worn by Ja Morant. He rocked it in the All-Star game before all of the craziness started to happen in the world. So he wore these actually during the game, which is pretty impressive because they're a heavy shoe to be wearing for basketball. Maybe his were a little bit different. And then the bottoms of the shoe, they just have the red right there. Super grippy. I don't know if actually anyone would play basketball in these shoes. But again, they're a super cool shoe. Hopefully you guys like these shoes. And my other video with the Yeezys, you can check it up on the corner. I'll have it right there. But I will show you these shoes one last time. There you go. Let me just get into the StockX app and show you what these shoes are going for right now. I forgot to throw it in the middle of the video, so I am going to do it right now. Let's go here. Let's go to following. Let's go to the Chicago's. The last sale was $465. And you might be like, oh, you might be getting a little like $30 extra for your profit. Well, no. Here, let's do a size 9.5 because that is what I have. 9.5, sell. So $450, and I would be getting, oh, no. I would be getting $393.75. And again, these shoes were $430. So definitely going to hold these, or maybe I'll just keep them. Maybe I just took an L. But if I keep them, they're super dupe. These are a super cool pair of shoes. But if the price does go up and I end up making some money, if I do sell them, then I'm definitely going to sell them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed these sneakers as much as I did. My question to you, and write it down in the comment section below. Keep, sell, or hold for a later date, to sell of course, or how much do you think these will go for? Remember, these were about $430. That's an expensive shoe right there. Later, this is Desktop 405. I am out of here.